Idioms, idioms, idioms. Yes, that's right. In today's video, you will learn 25 new idioms. But before we get started, let's talk about what an idiom is. An idiom is a phrase which has a different meaning than the individual words in the phrase itself. For example, piece of cake, piece of cake. This is a piece of cake, right? But the idiom piece of cake means something very easy. So just because you know the words in an idiom doesn't mean you will understand the meaning of the idiom. So let's not waste any more time and let's look at the first idiom for today. Number 1, add insult to injury. This means making a bad situation even worse. An example sentence, the boss asking the staff to take a pay cut is adding insult to injury. Number 2, beating a dead horse. This means spending time or effort on something that is already finished or can't be changed. An example, she said she doesn't want to go out with you, stop beating a dead horse. Number 3, the best of both worlds. This means you get good things from two different situations with no disadvantages. For example, I've got the best of both worlds. I've got a great family and an amazing career. Number 4, bite the bullet. This means doing something that you really don't want to do. For example, I know you hate going to the dentist, but you just have to bite the bullet and go. Number 5, biting off more than you can chew. This means trying to do a task or many tasks that you can't do. For example, don't you think working 3 jobs is biting off more than you can chew? Number 6, burning bridges. This means to end something, normally a relationship or an opportunity. An example, if you leave school now, you'll be burning many bridges. Number 7, caught between a rock and a hard place. This means you have 2 choices, but both of those choices are not good. An example sentence could be, I'm caught between a rock and a hard place. I can stay in my current job where I hate my boss, or I can change jobs and get less money. Number 8, cool as a cucumber. This means very calm and relaxed. An example sentence could be, after he did 50 push-ups, he was as cool as a cucumber. Number 9, don't count your chickens before they hatch. This means don't make plans regarding something that you think will happen because it may not happen. An example could be, don't count your chickens before you hatch. Wait until you get a job offer before you quit your job. Number 10, don't judge a book by its cover. This means you can't know what something or someone is like just by looking at them. An example could be, he doesn't look very smart, but don't judge a book by its cover. Number 11, face the music. This means to accept the consequences of something you have done. An example could be, stop running away from your problems. It's time to face the music. Number 12, getting a second wind. This means having energy after first feeling tired or feeling like you have no energy. An example sentence could be, after lunch, I felt so tired, but now I'm getting a second wind. Number 13, give someone the cold shoulder. This means an unfriendly attitude towards someone, normally by not talking to them or ignoring them. An example sentence could be, she's been giving me the cold shoulder ever since I forgot her birthday. Number 14, go cold turkey. This means when you stop something immediately. And an example sentence could be, he's giving up smoking cold turkey. Number 15, hit the books. This means to study. An example sentence could be, he's got an exam tomorrow, so he's hitting the books tonight. Number 16, to hit the nail on the head. This means to say something that is exactly right. An example sentence could be, you hit the nail on the head about him. I totally agree with you. Number 17, hit the sack. This means to go to sleep. An example sentence, what time do you normally hit the sack? Number 18, in hot water. This means to be in a difficult situation. An example sentence could be careful what you say about people because it could put you in hot water. Number 19, to kill two birds with one stone. This means to accomplish or achieve two tasks with one action. And an example sentence could be, I killed two birds with one stone because I went to the shops on my way to the gym. Number 20, letting the cat out of the bag. This means to make a secret known, to reveal a secret. An example sentence could be, I told him to keep it a secret, but he let the cat out of the bag. Number 21, to lose your touch. This means to not be able to do something really well, but in the past you could do it really well. An example sentence could be, I used to play soccer really well, but now I've lost my touch. Number 22, no pain, no gain. This means you must have some difficulty if you want to get better. Things must be hard if you want to get better. An example sentence could be, you have to work hard in the gym if you want to see results. No pain, no gain. Number 23, on the ball. This means when someone is very alert or aware of what's happening around them. An example sentence could be, the new employee is really on the ball. But please note, we say on the ball, not on a ball. Number 24, piece of cake. This means very easy. An example sentence could be, English is a piece of cake. And the last one, number 25, to pitch in. This means to help do something, normally in a group. An example sentence could be, if we all pitch in, we can get the task done quicker. That is the end of the lesson today. If you're interested in more idioms, check out this lesson right here. If you liked the video, hit like. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe right now. And if you're not following us on Instagram, make sure you follow us right now because we have daily quizzes, weekly updates, posts, pictures, and much, much more. And I will see you in the next video. See you guys.